Hey, if you're looking for a reliable, affordable way to store energy for solar or just to keep your essentials running during a power outage, this might be one of the best value batteries out there. Today, I'm talking about the WEIZE 12 volt 100 amp hour LiFe P04 battery. This is a compact lithium iron phosphate battery designed for real world use, solar systems, backup power, RVs, and off-grid setups. And what makes it interesting is not just the price point, but how flexible it is. First, let's talk about the quality. This battery uses LiFe P04 chemistry, and that's lithium iron phosphate, which is known for long lifespan, often thousands of charge cycles, excellent thermal stability, and much better safety compared to the older lithium chemistries. It also includes a built-in battery management system, or a BMS, which protects against overcharging, over-discharging, short circuits, and overheating. So from a reliability standpoint, this is a solid, modern battery platform. Now in terms of usable energy, you're getting about 1.2 kilowatt hours per battery. So realistically, after inverter losses, you've got around 1 kilowatt hour of usable energy. So that's enough to run lights, the internet, maybe a television, charging devices. You can charge for several hours without issue. So where this gets really interesting is when you scale it. So let's say you build a solar system using 4 to 8 of these batteries. Now you're working with 4 batteries, roughly 4 to 5 kilowatt hours usable, with 8 batteries, roughly 8 to 10 kilowatt hours usable. So at that level, paired with a properly sized inverter and a solar array, you can realistically run something like a 1 horsepower 240 volt pump for 6 to 8 hours during the day. What does that mean for you? Using solar as your primary energy source reduces reliance on the utility power and lower your monthly electrical bill. And because LiFe P04 batteries handle cycling so well, this kind of daily use is exactly what they're built for. So now let's scale the other direction. So even just one of these batteries becomes very useful. So paired with a small inverter and a charger, you can build a simple DIY backup system, basically a small UPS. This can continuously power, say, your internet router, a few lights, a TV, or a laptop. And in a short to medium outage, you've got several hours of runtime with no noise, no fuel, and no hassle. In a place with occasional outages, that's a big quality of life improvement. So in an upcoming video in the not too distant future, I'm going to take this battery and turn it into a useful project. So make sure, if you're not subscribed already, do so and turn on the notifications so you don't miss that one. So that's really the key strength here. You can start small and grow. 1 battery for a backup UPS and more for longer runtime, and scale up to a full solar system. Same platform, same chemistry, same basic building blocks. So overall, the WEIZE 12 volt 100 amp hour LiFe P04 battery offers solid build quality, modern lithium performance, good safety features, and excellent flexibility. So whether you're building a simple backup system or stepping up to a larger solar setup, this is a very practical place to start. If you're considering getting into solar or backup power, this is the kind of battery that makes it accessible without overcomplicating things. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell. I know that gets annoying, but it really does help us creators. And I'll see you in the next one.